Shubor Nakashlem Jong Nong San Hima.
Ka South Shillong Advisory Committee kalapha ki Jingmut shaka expert committee ban ai Bhah khambun yaki to ki badan hakathup jong ka jingdok baduna ka yok kakot kata kalong ban ai atphonyo nakashispa kani ka committee ka bala clear the MLA ka South Shillong constituency uba Sanbor Shulai kala ai Jingmut ru ban ai Bhah laipho nakashispa yaki khasi jantia bat laipho nakashispa yaki garu Henreu nakashispa yaki SC but ST but OBC but hanyo nakashispa yaki unreserved haba karan chikala pathai kubor hakala sngi ublei ka khat santarik naitung arjar pasaw hadin bala pha ikijing Jingmut uba LK dingdo ubade secretary ka expert committee ulaong bana ka 4% ka Bhah yaki badan hakathup jong jingdok baduna ka yok kakot praphonyo nakashispa di ban Bhah yaki baduk kibade ki khasi jantia ban garo 100% yaki ST SC but OBC but 100% nakmenta ki unreserved uba Sanbor ulaong baka committee kala Jingmut chaka expert committee nakbenta ka jimuntoi ki dok ki janjar bat nung kendong ki bom na khamyo Bhah hakayo kamyo jam ulaong baki baduna ka yo kakot ki kenthup ki long yeng baduk ne BPL kum ki khon jong ki banya kali ki basyong di madan ki batre yeng breu ki babelasngi bat ki to ki bashutre shipor hakakam sarkar asha anganwadi kinong rap bat kinong trei bala handai ka committee kala Jingmut bay ki to ki badai kinong trei bapura ka sarkar omdei ban kenthup lang hakathup jong ki baduna ka yo kakot lani economically weaker section la Jingmut ru ban kenthup kum ki OBC yaki bomdei ki riulum lani ki non tribal ki bade hok ki trajala hak baki tu ki bade ban sha ithu kum ki schedule caste di ban kenthup yaki kum ki schedule caste shushu oba Sanbor ule thu baka committee ru kala Jingmut ru bana ka Bhah ka ba praphonyo persen ki kam ki balat ki district lani subdivision Deban Bhah sanpo persen nakmata ki do ki baduna ka yo kakot ki bade ki khasi jantia harilum khasi jantia bat nakmata ki garo harilum garo ka committee kala Jingmut ru baya ka jing ai Bhah deban khmi biang man ka shiphaus nam
today is the last date for submission of suggestion and recommendation for the amendment of the state reservation policy in line with the implementation of the roster system by the state government. So today on behalf of the people of the 19th South Shillong Advisory Committee, we have here our advisor, Shri George Arthur Wardry. Then we have General Secretary, Tobias Armarak, and we have Bipen Pradhan, the member of the committee, and other members we have here, Punhun Kharbuli, Visim, Raju, Limbu, and Kamal, Papa, and others. So this we have addressed to Shri LK Dingdo, Secretary Expert Committee, Personnel, and AR B Department, Government of Mongolia. And the subject of this suggestion and recommendation on behalf of the 19th South Shillong Advisory Committee to improvise the Meghalaya State Reservation Policy 1972. So we have submitted just now, and let me highlight submit the highlights of this suggestion. We are going to provide you one set of a copy of this suggestion and recommendation letter submitted to the Secretary Shri LK Dingdo. And here the main highlights of recommendation and suggestion is that the above reservation is being done keeping in mind the 2011 population whereas the population census of 2011 tribal make up to 86.15% of Meghalaya population. So based on that, number two, 30% we have suggested to reserve for Khasi Jaintia, 30%. Reserve for Garo, 27%, 30%, and 27% to reserve for economically weaker section, 6% combined to other Shul tribe, Shul caste and OBC, out of which 3% for other Shul tribe and 3% for Shul caste and OBC, 7% on reserve for general. Previously, other Shul tribe and Shul caste is 5%. Now we have proposed 6% with the increase of 1% with inclusion of OBC, other backward classes. Number 3 highlight, out of the 27% reservation for economically weaker section category, wherein 87% will be reserved for the economically weaker section or the BPL people of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo category, and remaining 6% to other Shul tribe, Shul caste and OBC, and 7% for unreserved category suggested by the advisory committee shall benefit the poor and also people from rural areas who are mostly deprived. For the job reservation, the economically weaker section includes the BPL family, which includes the children of drivers, hawkers, domestic workers, daily wages earners, contractual employees, ASHA workers, Anganwadi workers, farmers and laborers. For these, the government employees are excluded from economically weaker section category. Number 4, the inclusion of all genuine non-tribal in OBC category, and the advisory committee has also suggested the inclusion of all genuine non-tribal of the state in OBC category, and for those entitled for the Shul caste should be included in Shul caste category. The advisory committee has also suggested 3% reservation for OBC and Shul caste and 3% for the other Shul tribe. The advisory committee has also suggested that in the absence of any interested candidates belonging to other Shul tribe, Shul caste, OBC and unreserved category in any respective district, the same shall be filled by economically weaker section society of the Khasi, Jaintia category in all Khasi and Jaintia hills, which includes in Ribhoi district, and Garo in case of Garo hills for district level posts or subdivisional posts. Number 6, the advisory committee also suggested for district level posts or sub-divisional posts, out of 87 combined reservation, 50% should be reserved for economically weaker section belonging to the Khasi, Jaintia for all Khasi and Jaintia Hills district, which includes Ribhoi district and Garo for Garo Hills district. The advisory committee also suggested that the reservation policy should be reviewed every 10 years. Every 10 years should review. Here, it comes to 100-point reservation roster to be followed. Out of 100 seats, 30 seats reserved for Khasi Jaintia, category 1, in category 1, 30 seats reserved for Garo, category 2, 27 seats reserved for economically weaker section, category 3, sub-classification, one of which 24 seats reserved for Khasi, Jaintia and Garo, 1 seat for other Shul tribe, 1 seat for other Shul caste and OBC, regional basis, 1 seat on reserve. The above sub-classification is done as per population census 2011. 4, 3 seats reserved for other Shul tribe category. 4, 1 seat reserved for Shul caste category 4, 2 seats reserved for OBC category 4, 7 seats for unreserved category 5. From all the above categories, 100% shall be reserved. We have given this from all the above categories as mentioned, 10% shall be reserved for the differently able people with disability, physically and handicapped, 10%. An individual who excel in the, an individual who have excel in the field of sports, arts and culture, this 10%. Tahang ne kalong ba ngingi stress ba yakini ki baduk ki bakrudu naduk kinong bala kinong rap ki taxi driver ki clean embrio ki ba tregen tashing embrio ki hawkers lani ki ba di ki bamde kinong trek up sarkar ki ba trek kam private ki baduk ki bakrudu ba kiriban receive no arpunyo persen na benta jom kil markum ka bolong akini ki Sanbor stem tam ki bla yu kamdan ka clarity aka state reservation policy ki jongi ban peni bakal adun ka Jingmut ka Jingmut ya kata Bhah na benta jom kini ki baduk ki bakardo ngani bala adun ka Jingmut nam ta sports sport kamdan ka clarity ka basai balamang kata persen nam ta ki sports sports kota kata persen nam ta ka art culture kam judo ki badai ki kota juga art and culture te arpujo persen nam ta ki deki economically we kan dari BPL ki ba mde ki dong trekam sarkar nadu ki dong rap nadu dong ya taxi ki dong clean embrio ki dong de surak de madan apa surak ki dong songyo barit beria ki dong bela barit beria ki batreh ki kamba per ki balat no ki batrekam sarkar ya ki boro la ga ni lagi mur badeban ai Bhah kerpang no ya ki arpujo persen dia kata ke dia ke ba ini ya la percaya bagi saya kopi ya ki boro